I breathe out. This is how we simply arrive here and now, in this now moment. We notice our breath. It's also interesting to notice that in this moment we are being breathed. It's the activity, it's the movement, it's the energy of life essence. It's in every cell, every atom, every fiber, every space and outer space of our being. Take a breath. And let that breath release. Right here, right now, we sit, we stand, we are present on holy ground. With our conscious intention, we connect to the sacred, to the holy. Going beyond our own breath, we notice the energy of this collective community. Not only in this very room, but throughout the very universe. We breathe together. We connect from our heart space with the divine energy in another. We hold the highest thought of those around us. We hold the highest thought, the highest prayer, the highest intention for our fellow humanity on this planet. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Be still and know I am God. We are the very vibration of life. We are the very vibration of divine love, of inclusivity. Throughout the day, we are here now, breathing in and breathing out. And so it is.